In Microsoft PowerPoint, we are going to discuss home menu, most simplest menu in PowerPoint. We have already discussed this menu in Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel earlier. Now this menu also comprises upon a few tabs. The first tab is the tab of clipboard. You know very well about the clipboard. Clipboard is used to cut, copy and format objects. For example, I want to cut this text. I will select it and go to cut command or press Ctrl X. PowerPoint will cut the text from the desired position and it is now demanding me the title again. If I want to paste it, I will click option paste. Okay. Similarly, if you want to copy something, select text, click copy command, go to any slide. For example, I am going to add a new slide here and I am going to paste it here. It will be pasted on the given slide. Okay. Next one is the format painter. Format painter is used for example, this is formatted. It contains colors, styling and font size. But the thing I copied and pasted on the other slide was not in this manner. I want to make that text similar to this. I will select this text and click this brush, format painter, and go to the slide and move this format painter over the text, or I will choose text. First I'll format it by myself. I will apply font formatting, font size, alignment, color, and then click brush tool and move the brush over the remaining text. It will do it in the same pattern. This is how you use the format painter. Next option is new slide. New slide option is used to add a new slide in PowerPoint presentation. For example, I want to add a new slide at the end of this presentation. For that purpose, I will go and choose the option new slide. New slide shows me different styles of slides here. For example, title slide, title with two content, section header, two content slide, comparison slide, title only, blank slide. For example, I need this type of content with caption. Okay. Now I need a picture here that says thank you. Okay. So I will click the option pictures or stock images. It will take me to the stock images or internet. Here I will search an image that says thanks. Okay. It's not giving me the proper image, so I will go to the Google and find image that says thank you. And there are many images that are saying thank you to me. For example, I need this image to be over there, and I will download it, file, save image as, and save it to my pictures folder or downloads folder. Then we will move to PowerPoint again and click picture button here, and we'll add the picture from our downloads. Now I don't need this subtitle. We will select it and delete it. We want to resize image. To resize image, just click and drag image as much as you want on your slide, and this text box will display my name, and I want to place it on the left hand side of the slide. I added a new slide, added a picture, and that was the ending slide of the slideshow that says thanks. Okay, that's how you can add a new slide. You can choose any style of the slide and select it. Okay, the next option is, it says that slide layout. As I have used a simple layout here, in which I used 6 text boxes. In each text box I typed a text here. I want to change the layout. I will choose the option from here like this. Now it is converted to that layout. I can undo this also by pressing Ctrl Z. Next option is reset. Reset will take it to that style, or reset in the previous style. Next option is add a section. When you have a topic that contains many sections, for example, in this topic I am going to add section at the top. This is section. Add section. Now section says it's introduction. It's introduction. So a section named introduction is added to my slideshow. Now this introduction is till here, from to slide number 2. Now I want to add another section. This section says these are land units. Land units are here. The last land unit is at slide number 9. So I want to add another section here. Add section, and this is description of the land units. So I divided my topic into sections, and this is another section. This is end. Now I can compress and extract slides according to section. I want to show section number 1. I will choose introduction, and both slides are in front of me. I want to hide it. I will click this button. I want to show the land section. It will show me the slides that belong to this section. It makes our work easier and less complicated. Okay, this is the way we add the sections. Now let's move on to the font menu. Font menu, you know it very well. Font menu is about applying fonts. For example, I want to apply impact font over my text here. I choose impact font. I want to apply the size of 32 on my font. I want to increase font. I will click grow font. I want to decrease font. I will click shrink font. Clear formatting will remove all the formats and convert all the font into Calibri. Next one is bold. If you want to bold something, for example, I want to make Marla bold. I choose the option and select this Marla option and click bold. If you want to make something italic or slanted, just select the text and click I button, or press Ctrl and I from your keyboard. It will convert it to the slanted format or italic format. If you want to underline something, just select the text and press Ctrl U from keyboard or click underline button. It will be underlined according to the given format. I am going to underline some text. If you want a shadow of something, for example, this word Marla, I am selecting it and I am clicking the shadow. It will place a dark shadow behind the text, so it may be look good to look in front. Okay. If you want to increase the space between the characters, go to AV button and choose any of them. I have chosen very loose. You can see that my characters are at a distance from each other. They are very loose in space. If you want to reduce the space, choose very tight, normal or loose. Any character spacing you want, you can select from this portion. Next option is change the case. If you want to convert it to uppercase, it will be converted to capital, lowercase, sentence case, capitalize each word. These are the cases. You can also apply the cases with the help of Shift and F3 key. Okay. The next option is if you want to apply the highlight color over some text, just select the text and choose the highlight color you want to apply. If you want to apply the text color, just select the text and choose the desired text color you want to apply over the text. Next option is bullets and numbering. As in this case, I want to apply bullets over this text. I will choose the text and select any bullet style from the list. It will place a bullet with each separate line, each separate paragraph. If you want to remove the bullets, just go and click none. If you add numbering, choose the number style. It will add a number style over here. If you don't want the number style, just click none in the number style button. Increase indent will move it and convert it to a column. Decrease indent will move it backward and convert it into the paragraph again. Next option is of paragraph spacing. Paragraph spacing will place space between the lines. For example, I want to increase the line space to 2 to 3 lines. You can see my lines are at a distance. I want to decrease it. I will choose 1.5 lines. Next option is text direction. It will change the text direction to the desired direction as you want. You can choose any of the text directions from here, but normally we use horizontal text direction for English. Next is align text to the left, to the middle, to the bottom. You can choose any alignment option and align the text according to the given format. If you want your text in diagrams or chart format, just go and select any of these styles. Okay, it will convert the text into the smart art like text. Okay, the next option is shapes. In Microsoft Word, it was in insert menu. In Microsoft PowerPoint, it is in home menu. You can choose any of the shape you want to display on your slide. You can add text to shape by right click and add text or edit text, and you can write text over the shape. If you want to format the shape, just go to shape format and choose any color style you want to apply over that shape. You can change the shape fill from here also and choose the desired shape fill you want. You can also apply the shape outline style to change the outline color of the shape. If you want to alt text, you can add figure 1, figure 2 and this type of text with the picture also. Send to back, bring forward will send it back and bring forward if you have 2 or more pictures. Next option is also arrange here also. This will work in the similar way. For that purpose I need another shape. For example, I am going to add that file shape over here and go to home menu again and choose arrange. Send to back, it will take it back. Bring to forward, it will bring it in the front. Okay. Now another option is of quick styles. Quick styles contains multiple formatting styles for this shape. You can choose any of the styles and apply it over your shape. Next option is also about choosing the colors, outlines, and this is also a styling. For example, I want to apply the reflection style over the figure. I can choose and start to apply the reflection on my shape. If you don't want this shape to be on your slide anymore, just click at the border of the shape and press the delete button from your keyboard. Next option is find. Find is going to find something for you. For example, I type the word Baga over here. It is finding me. The short key for finding it find is Control F. Next option is replace. It will replace the desired text. For example, I want to write this Baga in capital. Replace all. The whole Baga words are converted to capital. Next option is select all. It will select whole text. This was menu Home in Microsoft PowerPoint.